How to join the official King Legacy Discord server. What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you guys how to easily join the official Discord server of King Legacy Roblox game. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. On that note, let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your Discord and log into your account. Once you log in, all you have to do here is now go ahead and tap on this add server and now click on join a server. So from here you are going to type in discord.gg/4pvvs and then CB. The CB is uppercase, so just keep that in mind. And once you type this in, click on join server. And once you do that, you will directly be taken to the official web server of Discord server of King Legacy. So click on next and click on skip. And once you do that, you should be able to join the King Legacy server. But in some cases, what you can also do is just quickly search for King Legacy and it will directly take you to the server as well. But somehow if you don't find this, what you can do is go ahead and open your Roblox, click on the official King Legacy game, and scroll down to the bottom until you see the social links. Here you'll find the Discord link for the King Legacy. Click right here, and as you can see here, you will have an option to accept invite. So that's pretty much it. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one.